Hello, my amazing YouTube family. A heartfelt thank you to each one of you for liking, sharing, and supporting our videos. It truly means the world to us. I am Vaidehi and I warmly welcome you all to our channel Vedant Astro Bhakti. In our previous video, we talked about the importance of auspicious timings, that is Muhurat, and the science behind it. I have shared the link to that video in the description. So, be sure to check it out if you missed it. Today, let's take the conversation forward. We will explore some essential actions in life that leave a lasting impact on us, which require careful timing. One such action is the Vidya Aram Sanskar, or the initiation into education. Now, let me ask you this. How important is the education in today's world? Well, we all know the answer. It is the foundation of a successful and fulfilling life. But did you know our scriptures also emphasize this? And here's a beautiful verse from that. Knowledge bestows humility. Humility leads to worthiness. Worthiness brings wealth and prosperity. Prosperity leads to righteous conduct. And righteous conduct brings happiness. With this note, I want to emphasize that education holds such great importance. Wouldn't you agree? It deserves to begin on the most auspicious note. So, in ancient culture, choosing a Muhurat for Vidya Aram Sanskar was a must. While this practice may have faded over time, it is the prime duty of every parent to conduct the Vidya Aram Sanskar for their child before sending them to school. Let me walk you through this beautiful ritual. First and foremost, consult a learned priest to determine the most auspicious time for the Vidya Aram Sanskar. If that's not feasible, Basant Panchami is universally considered a highly auspicious day for this ritual. On this day, gather rice grains, flowers, and roli for your child. As you chant mantras, offer these items to the idols of Lord Ganesha and Goddess Saraswati. Arrange a notepad, pen, ink pot, and a symbolic representation of the teacher, such as a coconut, near the idols. Then, on the notebook, the child should write the word Om Bhur Bhuva Swa under the guidance of teacher or priest. In some traditions, parents hold the child's hand and help them write these words on a white sheet of paper with a red pen or pencil, preserving this as a child's first written work. If nothing else, at the very least, ensure that the sanskar is performed for your child in a simple manner. In the context of Vidya Aram Sanskar, what these words signifies? Let's break it down for you. Om symbolizes the supreme being. Bhur represents hard work. Bhuva signifies discipline. And Swa denotes wisdom. The purpose of education is to awaken and enhance these three great virtues. An educated individual who is hardworking, disciplined, and wise has truly made their learning meaningful. Writing these 5 syllables first during the initiation ensures that the child gives the supreme place in their consciousness to the Almighty, becomes devout, remains ethical, works diligently, maintains discipline and order, avoids illusion, embraces wisdom, and leads a life that brings success and joy to themselves and others. This quintessence of education is the purpose of the Vidya Aram Sanskar. And here's a simple way to honor this sanskar. If a full ritual is not possible, take your child to the Ganesha temple on Basant Panchami, help them offer their prayers, and together write Om Bhur Bhuva Swa on a piece of paper with a red pen or pencil. If you follow a different faith, adapt this process with your own sacred symbols or words. It's the intention and blessings that truly matters. Now, here's something for every parent watching this. This ritual isn't just about tradition. It's about creating a strong, meaningful start for your child's educational journey. So, why not embrace this timeless wisdom to give them the best foundation for their success? Friends, through this channel, our mission is to revive the timeless values of Sanatan culture and share the priceless knowledge it offers. I am incredibly proud and grateful to Sanatan Dharma for giving us such guidance, helping us navigate and succeed even in today's chaotic world. We pour in a lot of effort and research to bring you these insights. If you found this video helpful, please do give it a thumbs up to support us, share it with your friends and family who would benefit from it. Share your thoughts in the comments and let us know what topics you would like us to cover in our next video. We would love to hear from you. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out our future videos. Thank you for your love and support. We will see you in the next one. Until then, stay blessed and keep spreading positivity. Namaste.